Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's DIY, I'll be sharing with you 3 easy farmhouse style Easter decor that you can make with whatever items you have at home. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please consider hitting that red subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I would be uploading new videos every every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and occasional videos for collabs and challenges. So the first DIY, I printed out this bunny template off of Google. I just typed in bunny template and I chose the one that I wanted and sized it to the size that I needed it to be, and I printed it and cut it out. You can print this on cardstock so that you can always have this bunny template on hand at all times instead of regular copy paper. I then took some of this burlap fabric that I had on hand, and this is a more stiffer type of burlap because it has this wax backing to it, and I traced 2 of the bunnies facing left and 2 of the bunnies facing right so that they align when I'm ready to glue them together. And I cut them out as well. Once all of the pieces were cut out, I began hot gluing. I would strongly advise to use something stronger than hot glue because these keep popping open as I began to stuff it. So if you have a sewing machine and you know how to sew, this would be the perfect time to do that. Or you can use a Gorilla hot glue where this doesn't pop open as you begin to stuff it with the polyfill. This happened a few times with me trying to stuff, and do not overstuff because it won't be able to hold that much stuffing because you're just using hot glue. So I just continued to stuff and glue the bunny together, and once I had that all put together, I took some skewers and I glued it to the bottom of the bunny, which I didn't record. I don't know why, because I wasn't sure how I was gonna style these, and I put them in some metal bins or metal pots, and I had them as bunny topiaries. I made them into bunny topiaries, as you would see you saw at the beginning of the video. And I did that for both of the bunnies. So as I said, please sew this if you don't want it popping open, or use Gorilla hot glue. So for the next project, I took some of these extra eggs that I had on hand and my burlap twine, and I began wrapping the egg. I also did this for some carrots that I had on hand. I had 6 of the eggs and 6 of the carrots, and I just wrapped 3 of each in twine. You can use thicker twine if you have that on hand, but this is all I had at the moment. And I strongly advise, please do not go out to get these material. Use what you have in your craft space or your craft room, or shop your home to find items that you can create gorgeous DIYs or home decor for your home. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and share with your friends and family because it really do help me out a lot. Once I had these completely covered with the twine, I went ahead and I burned off the extra hairs they had on them. And for the other 3 carrots and 3 eggs, I just painted them with some white acrylic paint, and I did, I think, 3 coats or 4 coats on each, allowing them to dry in between each coat. And as I said, these are very simple and easy decor pieces, easy projects that you can do with your kids, or you can even do with your family. I absolutely love how these DIYs turned out, and they are very farmhouse-ish, if that's a word. But that's the look I'm going for. More of a farmhouse DIY. So this is me painting the egg. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial, and I would see you in the next one. Bye guys.